Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. Firstly, you need to go to the settings, because we need to check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So if you have iOS, you can also check it. At the top, right here we have a Bluetooth, and you can enable Bluetooth in the control panel. If you have Android, the same, but for Apple devices, sometimes, I mean all the time, these earbuds do not reconnect automatically to your phone, and I check on Android, it reconnect automatically. So on your iOS, we need to go to the Bluetooth right here, and you can enable also Bluetooth here. The most important is to click on your earbuds after that. And we have connection. Now, if it didn't help you and you still haven't connection, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. We can check it at the device list right here. If you have iOS, you will see there's no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning that your earbuds are disconnected. After that, you open this charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and this time automatically also for Apple devices. And at the device list, we should see that it's connected. But not this time for the iOS. So this time let's also reconnect it automatically, but normally with another earbuds it reconnect all the time automatically. So maybe, I don't know, something wrong with this phone. Now, if it also didn't help you, we need to remove and add these earbuds from your phone. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and we need to enter pairing mode. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. If you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here. And now at the bottom, near to the USB-C port, we have connectional button. Press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking. Here we go, we just enter pairing mode and tap at your earbuds at the device list. If it also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid. You need to again press and hold at the connectional button, but for at least 10 seconds, until the LED light flashed white 3 times. So let me press and hold. Firstly, start blinking white because we enter pairing mode. We just keep holding it. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon. Forget the device and forget device. Don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android at the top, and or turn off the Bluetooth, or just go back and return on Apple device. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button, we just tap on them at the device list. Here we go. Also, I have one more option how to fix it. So firstly, I will show you on Apple device and then on Android device. But on some Android devices, this system looks similar to iOS, so maybe you need to also check this part, because I will show you how to do this on Pixel 8 with a stock Android, but maybe on your phone it looks in a different way. So on your iPhone you need to open Settings and go to the General Settings. Then scroll down again and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then Reset and Reset Network Settings. We cannot reset only Bluetooth, so we need to reset network settings. We need to write password right here and click Reset Network Settings. But once you did it, it will automatically remove all networks from your phone. so maybe you don't need to do this. And that's it for Apple device. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open Settings, and you need to scroll down and find System. And right here I have it. Tap at this line and scroll down again. And we need to find Reset Options, and I have it at the bottom. So tap on it. And right here we need to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We can use mobile network settings, but we have this option, so we can use this one. Tap on it and then click Reset. But once you did it, you will remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!